Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can merge all clips into one in Capcut PC. So for example, I'm going to select the video and I'm going to add effect and I'm going to add text, a text template, right, just download it and then just drag to the drag this way. I'm going to add transition, split the clip before, apply it to all the clip, and I'm going to add a sticker. Just download it and add to the track and add the audio. So after done, if you want to merge all the clips, you have to select the clips before all the clips, right click and select create compound clip. So the clips are merged, right? So the clip was merged, and you can add another element to the track. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.